Students, this is 206th class. Let us continue solving problems on that standard integrals. So, prove that find the integral. Find the integral. So, integration of write. Same question, students. Let us repeat that. So dx by x square minus a square equals and hence evaluate So one more problem. X by x power 4 minus 5 into dx. Already I explained this in that last class. Already I proved same problem in that last class. You only solve that, students. Same adjustment, same arrangement. Let us solve this. So right. Solution. So dx by x square minus a square dx by, that is 1 by a square minus b square. You follow the same method, need not divide. Just practice, that's all. A square minus b square, a plus b. Same thing, same problem. We solved in the last video also. So I am repeating. So write a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So into dx. Next arrangement. Adjust that x plus a, x minus a minus by, so x plus a into x minus a dx. So in the numerator still 2a remains. 2a is remaining. How do you balance that 2a? 1 by 2a. Minus x plus x get cancels, a plus a to a, 2a to a get cancels, right? Now split it and integrate it, splitting. So 1 by 2a, integration of x plus a by x plus a into x minus a, x plus a get cancels, 1 by x minus a, minus x minus a by x plus a into x minus a, x minus a get cancels, 1 by x plus a. Now integrate that. It is just like 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. 1 by 2a. So log mod x minus a minus 1 by x log x log mod x plus a plus c log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n, students? Log m by n. So 1 by 2a. So log x minus a by x plus a plus c. Solving that over using this formula, you think of evaluating that. You take that x by, I write x power 4 as x square whole square minus 5 into dx. First you think to bring this into this standard form. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸುಮಾರು ಕಡೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪುಟ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ t, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ t, that implies differentiation of x square is so 2x dx dt. Differentiation of x square is 2x. X side dx harmony dt. X dx is dt by 2. So this implies x dx is so dt by 2. Substitute in that What is x dx dt by 2? 1 by 2 into dt by x square is t square minus, you write 5 as root 5 whole square. 5 is not a perfect square. That's why you write 5 as root 5 whole square. Now you compare, clearly this is in standard form. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ how much should be substituted for a? For a you take root 5. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. x ಗೆ t ಹಾಕಿ a ಗೆ root 5 ಹಾಕಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 by 2 into answer is 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 a is root 5. So log x means t. So t minus a is root 5 by x is t plus root 5 plus c. Substitute back for t. t के वापस आके substitute back for t. So right. Substitute back for t. So final answer is 1 by 4 root 5. So log, what is t? T means x square. X square minus root 5 by x square plus root 5 plus c. I hope you understood, students. Now I am going to explain only nth value problems on this formula. ಬರೀ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ evaluate the following. Evaluate on 1 by x square minus a square into dx is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Using that, you go for solving evaluate problems. First one is write 1 by write sin x by cos square x minus 16 into dx. Again you use put a method. Put cos x equals t. You are going to get sin x. So we will get that form. Put cos x equals t. So right, students. So put cos x equals t. A differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Send that minus right side. Sin x dx equals minus dt. Substitute in that. Sin x dx minus dt by t square minus 4 square. Keep that minus outside. Keep that minus outside and apply the formula. Minus. So for the t you use x jagal t aagi, a jagal 4 aagi. 1 by 2a, 2 into 4 log x means t. So t minus 4 by t plus 4 plus c. Final answer is minus 1 by 8 log mod. What is t? T means cos x minus 4 by cos x plus 4 plus c. I hope you understood, friends. Let us solve one more nth value problem. Nth value problem. So write x plus 3. Next problem. So 1 by x square plus 9 x square plus 6x minus 7 into dx, x square plus 6x minus 16 plus 6x minus 7. Yes, let us solve this question, students. So how to you bring this into standard form? So to bring this into standard form, so we call that method as completing the square. You take out that quadratic equation, x square plus 6x minus 7. You take out that quadratic equation, x square plus 6x minus 7. So write, students, so write clearly a square. You take this as 2ab. A square plus 2ab. This is not b square. Let us try to calculate b. We have a formula to find b. b is equal to half into x coefficient. Half into x coefficient. So b is equal to half into, how much is x coefficient? 6. 2 3 3. b square is 9. 3 square 9. So write a square plus 2ab plus b square, x square plus 6x, you add plus b square, plus 9 minus 7, b square. Now it is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. These three terms can be written as a plus b whole square. That is x plus b. How much is b? 3 whole square. Minus 16. This method is called as completing square of quadratic equation. Completing square of quadratic equation. This method is called as completing square of quadratic equation. So now you replace this quadratic equation by this much. So now, so dx by, how much is x square plus 6x minus 7, students? X plus 3 whole square. Minus 16 means 4 square. Now you observe clearly we brought the given quadratic equation into this standard form. 1 by dx by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square. Linear equation can be taken as x square minus a square. Apply that formula now. 1 by 2a. 2 into a. In the place of a I am having 4. Log x means x general is x plus 3 minus a ratio 4 by x general x plus 3 there plus a generally 4 there plus c. 2 mark question. For this work you will get 2 marks. So write, simplify that. Final answer is final answer is 1 by 4 to the 8 log mod x 3 minus 4 minus 1 x 3 plus 4 7 plus c. This is the final answer for 2 marks. Let us go for solving one more standard form of the same type. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದೇ ತರದ್ದು. So find the second standard integral. Let us go for solving one more standard integral of the same type. Right. Find find the integral 1 by a square minus x square. A square minus x square into the x, and hence evaluate so write x square by 1 minus x power 6 into the x. Solve that. You use same method which we used for that previous problem. Same method works, students. Use that. Solution. You take that 1 by a square minus x square into the x. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. 1 by a plus x into a minus x into dx. Now you go for setting. So write 1 by, you write same factors in the numerator. A plus x minus a minus x by a plus x a minus x into dx. Is this minus correct, students? No. For this minus x will not cancel. x ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. x ನ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. x ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ a ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Right, look at this. I use plus. Now plus x minus x get cancels. A plus a remaining. A plus a 2a remains. I can balance that 2a by writing 1 by 2a outside. xx ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ suppose xx 2x ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ is this correct if I write 1 by 2x outside? No. Variable should not be written outside. You should not write functions outside. Constants ನ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Functions ನ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಸರಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. I must use plus because xx get cancels. x ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. a plus a 2a ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ 1 by 2a ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2a ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2a ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾವು split it and integrate it. Split it carefully arrange. This is what integration. So write split it. So 1 by 2a on splitting a plus x get cancels. Remaining is 1 by a minus x plus a minus x get cancels. 1 by a plus x into dx. So 1 by 2a. Again it is 1 by x form. 1 by x. How much is integration of 1 by x? Log x. So log mod a minus x by minus 1. Be careful, students. You must be careful at each and every step. Which is this minus 1? X coefficient. How much is x coefficient in this case? Minus 1. Dividing. While integrating, dividing x coefficient is must. X coefficient ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Plus, so integration of 1 by x, log x. So log mod a plus x. Right, you write this minus here. You write that minus there. 1 by 2a minus log a minus x plus log a plus x plus c. Final answer is log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n, students? Log m by n. So this is nothing but 1 by 2a log m by n. Tell me m in this a plus x. So mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So we solved carefully. 1 by integration of 1 by a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x into plus c. Now let's go for nth valued problem. Nth valued. So integration of x square by 1 minus, I write x power 6 as x cube whole square. x cube whole square ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 3 2s are 6. ಈಗ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ x cube equals p. So put x cube equals p. That implies 3x square into dx dt. X square dx is so dt by 3. How much is x square dx? dt by 3. You substitute in that. X square dx is dt by 3. You write 1 by 3 outside, dt inside. You write 1 as 1 square minus x cube is being taken as t. We are taking x cube as t square. Now look at this friends, we got standard form. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಶೇಪ್ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಶೇಪ್ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ 1 by s square minus x square. ಈಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. nth ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. nth ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಥ. nth ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್. nth means use that ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a, how much is a? 1 by 2a log a plus x. a is 1, x is t. a ಗೆ 1 ಆಗಿ x ಗೆ t ಆಗಿ. So 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. Substitute back for t. Substitute back for t. So final answer is so 1 by 3 2s are 6 log 1 plus t means how much is t students? X cube by 1 minus x cube plus c. So now I am going to explain only nth valued problems. So right. So okay students, let us stop this class. So we shall have discussion about more such problems in the next class. Thank you.